Welcome back to the fourth part of this tutorial. I'm going to exit and let's create some more function. Okay, the next function is I'm going to create function for reset. So reset and delete function. Those are the functions that I'm going to take care of now. I reset. Okay, so I reset equals as follows. So I'm going to say empty type dot set clear and reference dot set clear as well. There we go. And I'll repeat the same thing for the rest of the components here. Come right down here. Okay, I'm going to also repeat another one for delete, because this will only clear if I run it. This will only clear the following. Let's come back in here. Okay, let's indent all of this, then we'll run it again. Indent. Okay, there we go. See, whatever I enter in here, I can always get rid of those. There we go. Well, I want to be able to clear everything here. If I click on clear, and one thing that I was meant to do was to actually call this. So let's go to the reset. Change that to reset. Scroll right down, go to the button called reset and enter command equals I reset there. Now let's run it one more time. Command equals I reset, and that is the reset. Now run it. There we go. There we go, guys. So I can only reset all of these widgets if I click on reset there. Okay, but I want to be able to reset all of these as well. So what I'm going to have to do is I have to call each variables in there. So let's exit. So each of these variables has to be addressed individually. So I'm going to come in here, copy that, and go to the text widget here. Let's see. Yeah. So I'm going to have to enter. Let's enter in there text variable equals there. So that is sorted. So I'm going to repeat the same thing for this text box here. Okay, for the text box, that will be for the book. Okay, let's say for the book is going to be text variable will be reference. No, that will be book ID. Right. So I'm going to repeat the same thing, exactly the same thing for the other components. So let's come into the title. That will be book title. Paste that there. Book title. So let's repeat the same thing for all. I will just speed that up and get back to you guys. Okay, as you can see, I've called each of the variables. Okay, and that's it. Call them individually. Okay, to make life easy, I've called them with reference to their name, and those are the variables declared right up here. Okay, so before I proceed, let me come in here and just declare another function. I'm going to call that function delete. Delete. There we go. And delete in this case is going to, let me call this variable reset there, and I will also want to delete the following. I should be able to delete this itself, so let me get that away from there and paste it right in here, and then replace that with txt frame details. I want to be able to delete that. Okay, so you see this delete, I'm going to call that inside the delete button. So let's come in here and just say paste that and just copy command equals there. Right, that is fine. So that's taken care of. That's my delete working now. So if I run this program now and enter whatever I want in here, okay, I've entered some data in here, and if I click on the reset, there we go, but I cannot delete these two. So let's click on delete. Delete is not doing that neither. Okay, so let's come back in here and see what's going to happen with delete here. Click on delete. Yeah, alright, I need to get the names of these two components. Okay, there's an error. Yeah, that name is wrong. Okay, that is fine now. I've actually added this here. Now I need to create just two more functions, then we might be able to call it the end of this program. The other one is going to be, so let's tab and add as follows. I'll call it display data. In the case of display data, I want the following. I want the following to be displayed on there. There we go. And that's it. Now the next one is the next function that will be for the receipt. There we go. That's the function for the receipt as well. Okay, we have the exit function, delete function, reset function, and all of the variables declared. Right, we are almost there. So all that is left for us to do now is, if I run this program now, you see these two functions that I've just created, I want them to be called inside the list box here. So there's going to be a lot of work inside this very list box, so that something can happen. So the main thing is, when I run the program, anytime I select any of these books, I want the details of the books to appear here, and this is just the customer information. And in here I just need to readjust the size of this. Let's see, where is that? I made it 141, so let's change it. Yeah, that's it. Maybe that. Let's see how it's gonna look like. Then we take it from there. That's the width. Okay, let me just finish it up before I tidy up the whole interface. Okay, let's come back in here. Now I need the list box. The list box right there. Okay, right here on the list box, I'm going to declare the following. So let me call that select. Select, there's a C missing. Selected book. There we go. Right, and that is going to be the value equals str book list dot get. So what I want to do is whatever book we selected, we can also display all of the information inside the widget. So that will be selection. Right there. So let's declare one variable here. I'm just going to call that w equals the value. Right, that's my variable. So let's check out what w is. Whatever we have inside w equals, let's compare it to anything we have in here. So let's say Cinderella. Okay, all of this should be above. Alright, let's come in here. Cut that off and just paste it here. Right there. Okay, let's say we have Cinderella in the house. There. Then I want the following. 1. What I want the system to do is b, that's the book ID dot set equals the ISBN, whatever the ISBN might be, just enter it in there, anything there. Okay, so that's what's going to appear. The other thing is going to be the last two. Yeah, this very one here. Receipt. Do I want to receipt there right away? Okay, I want that. That will appear there as well. Let's come right down here. Paste. So if I run this system now, this is what's going to happen. That should be lowercase. Right. Let's see again. Or spell an indentation. Right. And this ought to be indented as well. Okay, let's try it now. If I click on this, I put some data in there. Let's see what happened. Okay, I should have called the selected data here. So this book, selected book, should have been called right here. Okay, I think that might be it. So let's see what's going to happen. Click on this. There we go. You see that, guys? That is fine. Okay, and this one needs to be rectified, though it shows there. That's fine. That's good. Now this should be there. Yeah, that should be there. So let's see one more time. And I click on this. There. Oh, it should be displayed here, not there. So I'm calling the wrong name. I've just called the wrong name. Let's see what's the name to be called. display data. Okay. Alright, let's just finish up with that anyway. Now, for now, I'm going to get rid of these for now. Let's see. Let's try it out one more time. Click on that. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Now let's call the rest of the component. Then the next one is going to be book title. Those are the variables that I declared, so I'm calling them now. So whenever the book is selected, so let's say this is the greatest age. What would that be? Cinderella. You can just degrade or whatever and close that. So let's run that. So that should give us some information about the book title. Okay, so we need dot set. Try it one more time. There we go. Click there. Okay, so now I believe you guys get the whole idea. It's all about calling the variables and assigning some values to them, and that's all there is to that. So let me speed that up and I'll get back to you shortly. Alright, I'll finish up with the if statement. This is how the first part of the if statement looks like. Have a look at that. It's all about just filling up the widgets. If you select Cinderella right here, and if you select games, there we go. Those are the conditions or the statements. If you select games, if you select ancient Rome there, and if you select made in Africa, there we go. Just like that. Sleeping Beauty, London, if you select London, if you select Nigeria, this is what you get. And Snow White, and so on. Strike 3. London Street. And I love Lagos. I love Lagos. That's it right there. That's what's gonna happen. Love Kenya. Let's take it down. That's it. Hello India. There. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, I've also imported daytime in here. If you like, you can paste it right up there, but I've just imported it. That's how I want it to be. Okay, that is that. So I'm going to run the program now for you guys to see how it's going to look like. Let me delete this. I don't want this there. Right. Let's run it. I've also enhanced the interface. Save that. Run it. And select student number, title. This means what's her first name. Let's say Sally South, and address of South 17 Wymo. That would be, let's say, York. Mobile phone of Sally. There. So the book Sally wants happens to be Snow White. There we go. So all I just need to do now, we have the receipt, we have everything. All we just need to do is to click on display. There, that's it, guys. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it. You all have a nice day now. Bye for now.